Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. It is an element. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as sodium, sodium, so, d, yum, sodium. Sodium is essential for human health, playing a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance and nerve function. However, excessive intake can lead to health issues like hypertension. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sodium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.